Here's how to blend videos and images in Canva. First, open Canva and create a new video project. Go to the Elements tab and select your video. Add it to the page. Next, add your image. Adjust both the video and image positions and sizes as needed. Now go to Apps and search for Image Blender. Select the app and choose Linear Blending mode. Adjust the blending point to control the visibility of each media element. When you're satisfied with the blend, click Save to generate your composition. That's how you blend videos and images in Canva. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.